Hi friends, today I'm showing you the case for the Moto G7 Power, and you can see that it can be used for the Supra as well. This is blue in color, comes in a good packing, no breakage and nothing, no issue with this case till now. And you can see like the diamond cut inside, the diamond design. This is flexible case, as you can see. And then let's fit my G7 Power in here. So it's easy to cover, and it covers the phone properly. You can see the cut on the charging port, no issue, and that speaker in the mic. So the cut itself is very proper cuts, and you can clearly see that it's on the charging port, not a problem. On the back you can see like the Motorola logo cut, and then on the cut for the camera end as well. So this case is protective on the corners, and the design itself looks really good and handy. So actually no battery in this phone because it just opened it, and you can see like the power on and off button, everything works well with the volume and the keys. So really a nice case, I will say, very much protective and is easy to use and nice case.